controller. See here what's doing all this thing. All of these controllers. And then on the fourth, I have this one here. This is what the error message that I had earlier. Click on that and now it works. Okay, then you can pull this over. You see it activates the server. This little icon right here.
So what I'm going to do is I'm clapping to queue up. Okay. If you move, this looks like a servo to me. And when you queue it up, you see that it's only going to allow me to go to 103. And the furthest will probably be 184. But what you can do is you can go cancel and you can go up to the servo settings. That's the port settings. So if you go to the value, let's see, where was it? Cancel. It's here with the value. There it is. So the start position's 1. The default value, as you see here, that's, let's see, let's go, we're going to list it as 180. And the maximum position is 180, but we're going to do 104 here, and then we're going to go 180 here, and this will help for any, you know, you don't want to put too much stress on the servo because you'll break it, okay? But now this is okay. But as you see here, I've made this movement right here, and you can adjust the movement, but like there's really nothing there yet. But we can show the start position, and it will show us the start position being there. Now, as far as the stop position, I'm going to move this. It's real jumpy when you're setting them. So we're going to go 116, go OK. And now we'll drag another one and double click on it, and I'll show the start position, which show it. That's the start. Okay. Now the stop position, I'm going to come up right there. You know, your teeth don't really touch when you're talking. So we're going to go capture. And we go OK. And then we'll pull another one. And then once again you set it. And then that's showing the start, which is there. And I'm going to move this down again. We're going to be just a little bit like a small one. Go show stop, which will be the capture. Okay. And then we'll go OK. And we'll keep doing this. Now, when you say a word, it all depends on how many syllables are in the word. But as far as this one right here, we'll show start, and then I'll bring it down again. That's the stop position. Go capture, go OK. And then I'll make another one. And then what I'll do is I'll show start. That's the start. We're going to close a little bit. That's the stop. Go capture. Go OK. Now I'll make another one. and then we'll show start, and then I'm going to bring it down like so. Stop position, capture. Okay, now when I play this right here, you'll see how it works. Okay, that's the end of that, but you'll want to adjust it, and you can make these small, and you see me, let's move this down here. We'll make this small. Let's zoom in. I'll drag it. Small. And when you make it small, it'll speed up the servo. And long slows it down. But the cool thing is that you can copy and paste these movements, and I'll show you that in just a second, because I'm doing this in real time. And what I'll do is I'll highlight this and copy it, and then you can paste here and then drag it, copy, paste here. Okay, and then you can actually manipulate these the way you want it for speech. I mean, but you'll have your voiceover, your narration or whatever that's programmed into your animatronic to indicate the, you know, your speech. And then when you say the word hello, I mean, look at it in the mirror or look up animation mouth movements. You know, when you open your mouth, that's one movement. Closed mouth would be the second movement, so that's two. And all depends on how many syllables you're saying in a word, and that's how many times you would move up and down, you know, the wording of the, I guess, the one word. And you just keep duplicating that. But as you see here, I can play this and run it. But then I can even go even, you know, you gotta zoom. You can zoom up to even make it even faster. But now these are basically, I mean, these are what you call analog servos. I mean, you can put them in the end to be fast. We'll do this one slow. We'll try that one. I mean, it really, that's pretty much too fast. But space them out a little bit. See what that does. Okay, let's space them. paste, copy, and you go to that area there. Copy, paste, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste, copy, paste. And you can do a whole new routine. Now this is just one servo. And then on top of that, you have to have other servos that's going to work your lip wires that would control, you know, move your mouth first and then do the lip wires later. But you know, that kind of varies though. You might want to do your lips first to get your punctuation of your, you know, of your words. But, you know, we'll try this. And let's see, you can loop it. Then you can stop it. Let's see. Stretch this one out. Stretch this one out, and this is just a jaw. Then you have eyes and all that set up. But I mean, it can go on and on. You can, I mean, with my animatronic project, you know, I sit there and programmed all this, what I did on the animatronic. It took a while. Let's see, we're going to close this mouth, so I'm going to add one right here. And then I'm going to show, once again, the start position, which is show and close. Show. That's the start. Okay. Now, the stop position will be closed mouth. Okay. 104. Go okay. But we're going to make it go really slow. I mean, you can make it go very slow. For some reason I didn't do it. Let's close it. Add one. Let's see. Show. Start. And we are going to close it right there. That is the stop right there. Captured. Now, just like so. And you can loop it once again, and it will continue to play. And that's it.